Good afternoon, all. Pratibha College of Commerce and Computer Studies organizes a course on a modern digital technology. I, Professor Pradnya Gujarati from the Department of Computer Application, speaks on a Module 4 Digital Marketing Part 2. So, I'm going to start with the what is the basic definition of digital marketing, what are the benefits of digital marketing. Actually, digital marketing consists of the following tools: SEO, PPC, SMM, email marketing, and content writing. So these are the tools and techniques used for the digital marketing. So let's start with the digital marketing. So what is the digital marketing? So this is the, you may say, the basic definition, or this is the introduction of digital marketing. So all of you know about the marketing, right? Marketing of your product or services. It means the awareness of your product, or gives the information about your product, about your business to the users, to the customers. But what is the digital marketing? Here we are going to use the digital technologies. So it may be mobile phones or displayed advertising or any digital medium along with the internet. It is known as the digital marketing. So digital marketing, it is the term used in the marketing of products or services using different digital technologies. So these are the basic, or these are the benefits of digital marketing: economical, time and effort saving, flexibility, real time analysis, instant feedback, and impactful. So obviously, instead of using a traditional marketing, obviously nowadays everyone goes with the digital. So digital marketing is very economical, impactful. It gives you the instant feedback. So whatever you post on a digital platform, you will get the instant feedback from your customers. It is very flexible. At any time you can do the marketing. So it is very time and effort saving and real time analysis. So it gives you the real time analysis. So these are the benefits of digital marketing, and that's why everyone nowadays is now going to use the digital marketing instead of the traditional marketing. So what are the objectives of digital marketing? So obviously, you can reach the your right audience, your targeted audience. You can engage your audience, and you can motivate your audience to take their actions. And obviously, it maximizes return on investment. So ROI is the higher in case of the digital marketing. Now, digital marketing actually consists of these different tools. You may say these are the tools or techniques used in the digital marketing. So, SEM, SEO, email marketing, social media marketing, branding, content. These are the number of tools and techniques used in the digital marketing. So, let's get started with the basic definitions or overview on each and every tool. So SEO, that is also known as the search engine optimization, SMO, social media optimization, search engine marketing, and social media marketing. Now I would like to say that the SEO and SMM, so search engine optimization and social media marketing, these are the two most important pillars of digital marketing, right? So these are the very famous, very popular tool, which are used by everyone, by every business. So it doesn't matter that your business is very small, the size of your business is small, medium, or large. It doesn't matter. uh, if your businesses have so many years, or if it is a startup, doesn't matter. You can use all these tools and techniques for your product or services. So that's why digital marketing is nowadays very popular. So, and obviously in pandemic everyone is now on a digital platform. So it is very important and it is very impactful that we are going to do our marketing of our product and services with the help of digital technologies. So let's start with the SEO, search engine optimization. So I would like to emphasis on the what is the basically search engine, right? So search engine, it is a tool, or it is a technique, you may say, right? and it is the integral part of www. So World Wide Web, everyone now is familiar with www, World Wide Web, and it helps users to search almost anything on the internet. So that is a search engine. So it is a tool which helps the user to locate the most relevant information based on their search queries. So whenever you enter a query in a search engine, and you will press and you will get the list of web results, right? Uh, so that web results are known as the search engine result pages, SERP, right? So these are the SERP, search engine result pages. Now what is the optimization? It is all about search engine. Now what is the optimization? Optimization, it means the optimization or improvement of your website, right? So it is the optimization. It improves the performance of your website. That means your website it get ranked in a search engine. So your website must be ranked in first page or second page or first 5 or 10 website. If your website is ranked, then it is known as the optimization of your website, right? So see, आप जब भी सर्च इंजन पे जाके कुछ क्वेरी डालते हो, तो ऑब्वियसली यूजर टेंड्स दैट जो फर्स्ट एक दो तीन चार रिजल्ट्स आते हैं उसी पे हम लोग क्लिक करते हैं, है ना? So that is the effect of SEO. So suppose I am going to search about the best college in PCMC area. So these are the result pages. So these are the known as the search engine result pages, right? So these are the SERP. Now SEO is done by two ways, paid and organic. So what is the paid and what is the organic search engine, right? So paid search, so if your company gives money to the Google, then it is known as the paid search. So it reflects as a ads. So whenever you will see the ads, then it is the paid search. And if you don't give money, if you are not going to give the money to the Google or any search engine company, then it is the organic way. See, I would like to suggest that you must have to go with the organic search. It will take time. It will take 6 months or more time to get your website ranked in the first pages, right? So this is the organic search and this is the paid search. So these are the two ways for the SEO. So I hope SEO is clear to everyone. Now what is the PPC? Now PPC also it is a one type of marketing, pay per click. So in this model, the advertiser pays only when someone clicks on their ad, right? So see, the search engine algorithms determined that which ad is to be displayed to you, right? So on your interest, that ads will be displayed to you, and whenever you click on that, then and then only the advertiser have to pay. So this is known as the PPC. These are the different benefits or you may say advantages of PPC. uh, get on the spots Google's page one search results instantly due to PPC. अगर आपके PPC बढ़ते आपके वेबसाइट्स के क्लिक्स बढ़ते हैं, then your website will get ranked automatically. Again, you have to only pay for clicks only, traffic is targeted, and the fast measurable results. So these are the advantages of PPC. Now disadvantages of PPC, again, see, if you are going to add something on a social media, or if you are going to if you are going to publish some post on your website, then your content should be fresh. So fresh content is very important, but it is very hard to keep up, right? So uh, most important that fresh content. Again, the website owners they don't have a idea about how search engine reacts, right? How to search engine uh, really to best to drive the traffic to their websites. So these are the some disadvantages of PPC. Now the most important tool and technique which is used in the digital marketing is the social media marketing. So as I told you earlier that if you don't have a website, if your business is in a startup or in a primary phase, and you don't have a budget for a website or a SEO, then obviously you must go with the social media marketing, right? So what is the social media marketing? It utilizes the social networking websites as a marketing tool. And the objective of SMS is to produce the content that users will share with their social networks. And it helps the company to increase the brand exposure and it increases the customer reach. That is the social media marketing. So all of you have all these social media platforms. I think all of you are aware with all these social media platforms: Facebook, Twitter, Insta, Tumblr, Google Plus. So all these are the very popular social media platforms, and nowadays these are used as a digital marketing strategies. See, social now everyone on this earth, now everyone has their social media account, right? So from a kid or to old person, all of one has the social media account, right? So social media is very important role for your online businesses. So it is an art of producing the traffic to your website, right? So how you are going to increase the traffic to your website, or how you are going to increase the number of your customers, it depends on your social media accounts, how you use that social media accounts for your marketing, right? So social media marketing is used as a branding tool, and it can increase the conversions, it can increase the sales, you can also increase the page views of your websites. Again, it is very simple and low cost. So these are the following some social networking sites: Twitter, Facebook, LinkedIn, which are increased in the size, and you can increase the site traffic and get the potential customers. See now, example of I would like to give you the example of Facebook. So ESPN, after 2020, now ESPN also launched their Facebook page. So with the help of Facebook and Insta, you can create a page for your product, for your business or organization. Also, you can create a particular targeted group of customers which are having the same interest, right? You can create a group or you can create a page on the Facebook and Insta, and on that page or group, now you can post, you can publish your post, you can do the advertisement, you can post your advertisement. So with the help of Facebook and Insta, you can do the advertising, marketing of your products. Now social media marketing using Facebook. So these are the some tips and um, tracks. That is, you can publish notes and you can create a groups, you can include your banner, or you can create events on your Facebook page, Insta page. You can create a you can send the links and product details to all the members and groups, right? So you can create advertisement about your new coming and existing products. So you can do all this, and you can do the paid ad campaigns with the help of Facebook and Instagram also. So you can also, if you have a very small budget, then and then also you can do the paid ad campaigns on the Facebook platform, and as well as on the Instagram platform also. This is the Twitter. So Miami Heat were voted as the team of the year. So this is the Twitter, right? So also again some tips and tracks of Twitter. So you can focus on brand promotions and micro blogging. You can build strong and powerful relationship with your customers, and attractive bio increases the popularity. Filling up the page with the quick technique and tips. So these are the some tips how to handle your Twitter account, or how can you marketing your products with the help of Twitter platform. So use search twitter.com or twello.com to find more users. We can easily gain followers by following the active members in the Twitter. So when we follow 100 members, we will get at least 70 followers, right? So we will get the followers by following the followers of experts, gurus, or our competitors in Twitter. So these are the some short tips. Okay. We can post a product link and ask for opinion and reviews. We can use the affiliate marketing and microblogging. You can create a banner of your products and organizations, and we can post promotional codes for product. You can give some discount coupons to your customer, like buy 3 and get 1, etc. So you can post all the discount coupons on your social media platforms, and you can do the advertising of your products. So this is all about the Twitter and Facebook, Insta. So when in doubt, tweet. So these are the some techniques of Twitter. Respect the fan, use the resources you have, follow back and listen. And if it isn't broken, don't fix it. So these are the some tips for the Twitter. Now YouTube, now all of you know about the YouTube, right? So nowadays every day, I think 90 to 95% people watches the YouTube videos daily. So 1 hour daily each and every person gives on YouTube platform, right? So how you can imagine that how YouTube is very popular in social media, right? So J.K. Rowling also start YouTube, and she gives some quizzes and some announcement uh, about her next upcoming event, or you may say, right? So this is all about YouTube. Now see, YouTube again also follows some certain um, algorithm, right? You have to post your videos, your content should be very uh, great, your content should be fresh, and you have to post I think daily 1 or 2 videos on a daily basis, and then in daily your channel on YouTube will get ranked, right? So whenever users search in a YouTube search engine, your website or your videos will get ranked automatically if you have a number of views. So if you have a number of views increase, then only your video will be ranked automatically in the YouTube search engine, right? So this is all about YouTube. So advantages of SMM, social media marketing. Obviously you will get the increased brand awareness with the help of social media, right? You will have a inbound traffic, you can improve your search engine rankings, higher conversion rates. अगर आप social media marketing use करते हो तो you will get customers, right? So once I saw ad on my social media, right? If I click on that ad, then 101%, if I like their product, then I'm their customer, right? So it is a very high conversion rate. So customers, so user or visitors converted into customer, right? So this is the higher conversion rates. Again, improved search engine ranking. So how you're using social media marketing, right? So how you're using social media platforms, right? It improves your search engine rankings. So this is all about your social media marketing. Now better customer satisfaction, improved brand loyalty, more brand authority. So all these are the advantages of social media marketing. See, as there are lots of advantages of social media marketing, there are also some disadvantages of social media marketing. You may get some negative feedback from some customers, right? So it will be displayed on a live and all your social media platforms, right? So you have to uh, tolerate, and you have to cope up with these all negative feedback. So it depends on you how you handle your customers. Those give you negative feedback, right? And again, time intensive. So these are the disadvantages of social media marketing. Now see, email marketing is also very popular and very most important tool uh, which is used nowadays in a digital marketing. Okay, so along with the search engine, that is the website optimization, social media platforms, email marketing is also widely used in very professional companies, or by used by very professional organization, right? So email marketing is very important tool for the digital marketing strategy. So it is based on the sending emails and developing the relationship with your customers. So an effective email converts your prospectus into customers, right? and turns the first time buyers into recurring customers. So one of the best advantages of email marketing is that you can automate the entire process. See, nowadays there are a number of softwares available in the market. For example, MailChimp. So you can use this number of freely available softwares in the market for the email marketing, and most important, you can automate all the entire process. So from the customer's database and message, at what time it would have to send to the customer, all this you can manage with these softwares. And email marketing helps you the connect with your audience, to promote your brand, to increase your sales, right? So you can do a lot of things with emails, like you can sell the products, you can share some news, you can improve your um, cart abdomen rate, or you can tell a story to a number of customers. So you can do anything with email marketing, right? So these are the some advantages of email marketing. It has a larger reach, it delivers your message very properly and very accurately, it drives the convergence. That means the a prospectus can easily converted into customer with the help of email marketing. And again, it has a higher ROI, return on investments. Then email is a preferred communication channel, right? Email, it is an open platform, and obviously email will be around forever. So if I think each and every person which is working, or whether it is not working, they must have their email IDs, right? So everyone has an email, so you can do the easily marketing of your product with the help of email. Now the most important is content writing. So what is the content? Now content, it means uh, it is the text, or whatever you displayed on your website, or social media platforms. It is known as the content. So content, it may be in any form. It may be text, image, videos, images, anything. It can be anything. So a website content, it is very important part for your marketing, right? Digital marketing. So your content should be very powerful, your content should be very fresh, it should give the impact to the user's mind. So the most important role is here the content writer, right? So content writer, or it is a person who specialization in providing the relevant content for your websites. Every website has a specific target audience, and it requires a different type and level of content, right? So that's why content writing is a very important part of any digital marketing. So whatever you are doing, whether you are doing email marketing, or whether you are doing search engine optimization or social media marketing, anything, you can choose anything, right, for your digital marketing. But the content writing is very important. So you must have to write anything now, whether it is a text or image. So it should be very impactful. It is very fresh, and it gives you the proper idea of your product or businesses. That's why it gives the very importance in the content writing. So advantages and disadvantages of content writing, that you will get a lot of work, you will get disciplined, it is very addictive, and you have to practice a lot for the content writing. So benefits of online marketing over offline. So obviously, instead of doing traditional marketing or offline marketing, everyone nowadays prefer the online marketing. Why? Because it gives the higher return on investment, right? Return of investment. So you will get the higher returns. Uh, Whatever you invest in the advertisement or in the marketing, you will get the highest return through the online marketing. You can target only those customers, those are having the most interesting, right, most interest in your product, or your business organization. So you can target your customers also. Uh, and you should have to pay only for that target audience also. You can start without spending very much amount for digital marketing. You can advertise your products and specific hours, time, or any day basis, fully control as per your location, budget, and time. That's why the online marketing is nowadays very popular. So this is a small crash course of digital marketing, and so this study or this course started with the aim that to analyze the different issues related to the digital marketing. And based on this discussion, it is found that in case of digital marketing, the most important aspect is to connect with the users, right? So the most important part of digital marketing, that you can directly communicate with your customers, you can directly connect with your customers, and with the help of your customers feedback and reviews and approaches, you can increase the brand awareness, you can increase the sales of your product. So this study also revealed that how to utilize the digital marketing in an effective way, and the companies are required to design an effective platform. The current trends in digital marketing have already discussed in the study. So these are the current trends: Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, LinkedIn. These are the current trends of social media marketing. So this is all about your digital marketing. Thank you.